The night wept with a cold, relentless rain, mirroring the tears of a little girl forced to say a final, heartbreaking goodbye. A tiny life, no bigger than her hand, left to the mercy of the storm. For the little orange kitten, the world had suddenly become a vast, terrifying place. Its only home, a soggy cardboard box as the familiar taillights faded into the unforgiving darkness. But it wasn't alone in its despair. Across the city, other shadows were cast out. A sleek black cat, betrayed by a familiar door. A gentle Persian, left caged and confused beside the city's refuse. Each one, a story of love lost, now facing the storm alone. Driven by instinct, they sought refuge. The small orange tabby found a sliver of dryness beneath a fire escape, a temporary reprieve from the biting wind. The Persian, finally free from its cage, darted under an awning, its elegant fur now a matted, heavy coat. Each found a lonely corner, a small pocket of shelter in a world that had turned its back. But solitude offered little comfort against the chill of abandonment. Then, a flicker of hope. A plume of warm steam rising from the concrete. Drawn by an invisible promise of warmth, the little orange kitten crept closer, its fear momentarily eclipsed by curiosity. It followed the warmth down into the earth, discovering a hidden sanctuary, a place untouched by the storm above. And it was not the first. One by one, the lost souls of the storm were drawn to this unlikely haven. The sleek black cat, the frightened Persian, the limping calico. In this shared space, their individual fears began to dissolve. They were no longer alone. A new instinct took over, not just for survival, but for community. The larger cats shielded the smallest. Gentle grooming replaced shivering, and soft purrs filled the silence. They had lost their homes, but here, in the deep, warm dark, they had found a family. As dawn approached, they huddled together, a patchwork of fur and quiet resilience, waiting for a sun they weren't sure would come. But regret is a powerful force. The father, his heart heavy with the memory of his daughter's tears, had returned. He searched through the quieted streets, gathering not just one, but all the lonely souls he could find. The door opened not to an empty house, but to a home ready to be filled with joy. For every cat left in the rain, a pair of loving arms was waiting. The storm had passed, washing away the sorrow of the night. In its place, a new day dawned, bright with the promise of second chances and the profound, healing warmth of a family finally whole.